The content on this channel has been created for adults. If you're not at least 13 years of age or older, then please do not watch this content. Sorry, dude. Come back when you're 13. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Off Tap Life. Always a pleasure to be rocking and rolling for all you beautiful people around the globe. Guys, we're back with another one. This is another reaction request, and this one right here is from Gerald. Guys, you guys all know Gerald. Gerald is part of our family, and Gerald wants to hear this one here is Bachman Turner Overdrive. You Ain't Seen Nothing Yet, 1974 video. And we're gonna check it out, guys. So Bachman Turner Overdrive. You Ain't Seen Nothing Yet. Thank you, Gerald, for the request. Gerald wrote, this is one that we talked about in the chat. I say the title counts for what we, the faithful family, still have up our sleeves. You ain't seen nothing yet. So appreciate that shout out. Thank you for the support and the reaction request. Without further ado, we're gonna get into this now for me, for Gerald, and all of you. Let's get it. All right, just quickly, I just want to say, when that video first started, that backdrop looked like the same backdrop, and it could be my imagination, but I feel like that looked like the same backdrop that we just did with, oh man, what was those dudes' names? Oh, I just forgot their names. Sky. Ah, man. Oh, now that's gonna annoy me. What was their names? I just did it. What was the name? Guys, that sucks. Oh my, that is so annoying. Do you ever have those times where you freaking can't remember something that's on the tip of your tongue, and I was about to say it, it was right there, and then suddenly it just freaking went freaking blank. So I need to know now, because that's going to bother me, and I want to make reference to it, because then you can go watch the video and you can find out if it is the same or not, or is just my freaking imagination freaking, I don't know. Let me have a quick look here. Sorry guys, just a quick look here, because that's going to annoy me otherwise. It was Janelle's song. Skyhooks. I knew it was Sky something. I was going to say Sky Blue or something. Skyhooks. Yeah. So that one of the Skyhooks videos in the beginning, if you look at the backdrop, it looks like it was filmed in the same place. I could be wrong, could be just my imagination, but I think this could have been filmed in the same location. So let me know, guys. Am I onto something here? Am I right? Have you seen this venue before? Zero information there. Oh wait, live at the Rosslyn Ballroom, New York City. Let me know. Is that, wait, is that, it says from 2010. That ain't 2010. This is 1974. Man, I don't even know, man. Anyways, let me know in the comments if y'all know what's going on there. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. I've heard this song before. I don't know where I've heard it. I know I've heard it though, and I've actually. So this is that song, Bachman Turner Overdrive. Dude, I've heard this. This must have been in a movie or something, but I've definitely heard this song before. Man, that song is actually a really cool song. I can't believe I know this song. I don't know where. I wish I knew where I heard it, but this song, I like the whole concept behind it. You know, you ain't seen nothing yet. It's such a powerful freaking thing to say to someone. You know what I mean? You ain't seen nothing yet. You know what I mean? I like it. The music, the way they've done it, actually fits that narrative as well. I think it's actually just goes nice and perfectly with that narrative. But you know, it's crazy because like so many times we hear a song and we at that point when we heard it, it's like, oh, okay, you know, and come find out later somewhere down, like in this instance where you just hear it again, you go, whoa, wait a minute. And it hits you, you go, oh my gosh, and you get so excited. I don't know, for me, I get really excited, because, well, music excites me anyways, but that was really a pleasant surprise to realize that I've actually heard this song before, and I actually like it. I think it's a freaking vibe, dude. Like, it's, you know, it's very rare. I don't even think, you know, I don't think I actually can think of a recent time where I've heard a song and I go, ew, that's just yucky, I don't like it. Like, I have such an appreciation for music of all sorts. Like, it is amazing, actually. It amazes me because it's about looking deeper sometimes, like sometimes a song, I'll look deeper and I'll like, the lyrics, or the way the song was composed, the structure of the song, the instrumentation that was used to make the song. Maybe it's something even as simple as just the beat. I like the beat, the way the beat hit, like the boom, like something like that. There's just something that grabs me, and I'm constantly listening. I'm like, is there anything in that song that I feel like I can connect with, or that grabs me, you know what I mean? And so I don't think there's ever a time where I go, I don't like a song. The thing probably that maybe if I was to ever say I don't like a song would be for probably just mainly songs that I feel like, again, songs that I can't, like, in no shape, form, or fashion find a connection with, or songs that definitely doesn't move me or make me feel a certain way, like songs that have no substance, where I can't, I'm like, what? Okay, yeah, and don't get me wrong, a lot of those songs, I should have mentioned this earlier when I've said this, like, about songs that I like with no substance that I don't like, because sometimes I may like the music might be great, the beat, the melody, something might be awesome, but then the lyrics, I feel, then I go, ooh, but the lyrics just ruined the whole song. That could have been so much better if the song had a bit more substance to it, you know what I mean? But a lot of times, as far as the music of a song, I should have said that, but the instrumentation, the instrumental, the backing track itself, a lot of times I'll go, ooh, and then I could picture myself freaking throwing some fire on it. You know what I mean? But there's songs out there that the lyrics just destroy it for me, because I just go, but what are you singing about? Like, is there anything behind this? Is there anything? Like, it doesn't have to be a big thing. Sometimes it could just be simply someone is expressing their love for someone. That's cool. Or their love for something. That's cool too. And until it gets to this point where it's love about things where it's like, look at all my gold and my bling. Look at my freaking 14 karat diamond ring. Look at me over here doing my thing. Look at me. Oh, my gold plated swing. You know what I mean? It's like, But to each of their own. And music, again, is art, and it's open to interpretation. And, and don't get me wrong, there's probably been some songs that were, ironically, I would say, there's probably been some songs that didn't really have any substance, but the beat or something about it, the flow, the person, the way they performed it or sung it was so freaking dope or cool that I did enjoy listening to it, even though it was like, it's not my really my thing. Like Horror Story, that song we just did, for example, like I was like, I'm not getting the story here. There's no real, I'm not catching what's going down for me personally, but I like the way the song is making me feel. It's hitting me. It's pulling me in. I could think of some songs like that. There's tons of songs actually when I think about it that don't really have any necessarily real substance to them per se, but it's such a great song and such a great performance of the song and such a great vibe or beat or something about it that's just got me going, okay, I can listen to it, even though it's not really, if I was choosing a song to listen to, I would have never chose that song to listen to, because I went into it going and knowing when you have a game, when you have a song called, like, pick one of 6 9 songs, for example, and the name is something really stupid, and you already know the song is going to have zero substance going in, and they're like, yeah, I choose not to listen to that. You know what I mean? That kind of situation. Y'all get it. And again, I'm not hating on anyone, to each their own. You do you do your thing. But yeah, that's the beautiful thing about music. Anyways, thank you for that awesome request. I enjoyed it, Gerald. And guys, yeah, you can do your own requests as well. Anything, there's no limit to what you can request. Just head over to offtap.life. Okay, I'm out. As always, remember, each one to the fullest and keep it off tap. I don't want to freaking fall and drop everything on film. That just